Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we have here the new reveal of our new rear bumper from DV8. This one is the Spec Series. It is in satin black. I love it. They match our front bumper because we actually have the front bumper from DV8 as well. This one here, we just installed it. I'm gonna do a quick video going around the bumper and show you in details how this bumper looks. We can see here how the satin black color, how they look like. I love it. I mean, I love this bumper. I love how the off-road capabilities of the bumper. You know, you have here more aggressive design of the bumper. They actually have this one here. It is an option that you can use the sensor from your factory bumper. You can install those there for the when you're backing up as well, or when you're moving from lanes. You know, all those sensors, they have the ability to install the sensor on this off-road rear bumper as well. And also you can install here your shackles for a recovery point for off-road purposes. They actually keep the hitch electronics, they keep the license plate lights, and they also have for drop your spare tire. All those features from the factory rear bumper has. This one has as well, like a regular off-road bumper. I love how, I mean, like I say, I love the design of DV8 bumpers. See how well it's made it. If you're worried about scratches, we have the front bumper as well. Let me give you a quick walk around here for the front bumper. This is the front bumper from DV8 as well. We are gonna make a full video of this one, but here we're gonna show you how you're gonna remove your factory bumper. I'm gonna drop a clip on the end of this video how you can remove your factory bumper, because this one to install is so easy. The instruction on the website is so easy. They take me like I will say like less than an hour. I mean, I'm so happy how quick and everything come well packaged, and how you can install. Just transfer the stuff from the accessories from your factory rear bumper to the new one, and everything is already on the box, how well packaged it is. This one here, actually, let me show you here. I don't know if you can see. Yep, you can see here on the video. Those bolts are right here next to the recovery point. That way they're gonna give an strength for those that bumper, because the off-road capabilities of this bumper, those recovery point, if you're gonna pull somebody with a rope, the attachment point of this bumper is right there. That way you have more strength on the bumper. It is still this bumper, that means they're gonna, if you are backing up, you're hitting a tree. I already hit a tree with my front bumper and nothing happened. That way this bumper will not crush, will not crash. I mean, I love it. I love how they look. Let me show you here a closed caption here. See how this bumper look like. And actually you can install here a 3 inches light pod if you're gonna have, you know, those rear lights. This one allow you to install those lights there without compromise any of the design of the bumper. You know, some of the bumper have those bulky edges when they have that areas that you can install the lights. This one here is there, look like they're hidden. You're gonna remove that mesh from there. That way you're gonna have more light coming out. But see how they look. This is a 2020 Chevy Silverado. I'm Carlos from Iniciarte 4x4. If you don't follow our channel yet, we do a lot of review videos. We do a lot of unboxing videos. We go camping everywhere. We are from Florida. We also hit all the East Coast. We go to events. If you don't follow the channel yet, support the channel, follow, leave me a comment what you think about this rear bumper from Chevy Silverado. We take a time searching about which rear bumper we can use for our truck to match all the setup. That everything is amazing. I mean, every product that we have in our truck. Then we found this DV8 rear bumper. We actually work with them. They provide this rear bumper to use in our truck. We just installed this rear bumper, but we actually have the front bumper for maybe 1 or 2 months already. This one here, it is a Spec Series from DV8. I'm gonna leave all the information below this video about this bumper, and you can go and take a look on the website. And also I'm gonna drop here a clip when we was removing the factory bumper. That way you can see how easy was, like 6 to 8 bolts that you need to remove, like to disattach the factory bumper from your truck. Okay guys, let me show you here a video how we remove the factory front bumper. Okay, we already have all the bolts and everything off the bumper. be careful with all the wiring connection, but it's easy here. I don't do a step by step because it's literally like a 6 screws. We have these 13mm screws here, and those two over there on this side, I don't know if you can see it there, those are 18mm. I use a dip socket for those, and I have here two more 13mm. Will be two on this side and each side, plus the one on here. We have 6, plus these two we have 8 screws. That means four screws of 13mm, and we have a 4 nuts of 18mm, and that's it. Your bumper is completely off. I mean, it's loose already. I remove the license plate lights. This one you just twist. They're gonna be located behind this one here. It's gonna be located all the way there. And we also remove the trailer connection here, the wiring. This one will be a little bit tricky because in some of the posts they say that you can, let me show you here. What is the connection? It's somewhere here. Okay, this one here. In some of the videos that I watch on internet before remove this one, I remove the secure plastic here to be able to remove it because I have a lot of dirt because we use the truck. And this one here, we remove the two metal parts, that the two metal clips that they hold the completely bracket. Take it out this way, and that way it's easy to remove the safety clip and all that. That way will be easy to remove everything on the trailer wiring connection. We put the truck on stands. I mean, not on stand, ramps. That way it's easy. We have a little bit more of clearance on the truck to work under. And now we are gonna just take the bumper out and put the new bumper on the truck. Like I say, was easy, pretty simple. The only gave me a little bit trouble was the trailer wiring connection. But what I do, I just pop up that one to the other side, like off the bumper. That way, that was the easiest way to have like a more space. Some another YouTuber, they say that you can drop the tire, you know, the spare tire, you have better, more space on that area. But I just find more comfortable, just pop it up on the front, remove the screws, just few screws there, and that's it. It's easy. Now we are gonna remove this bumper and let's keep going with the video.